Name the only country where both Hindi and Bengali languages are spoken. A. India. B. Nepal. C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is A. India. Which city is known as the capital of cotton textiles? A. Ahmedabad. B. Kanpur. C. Coimbatore. Correct answer is A. Ahmedabad. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Chandrasekhar Azad. Correct answer is B. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. Which Indian state has the largest railway network? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which state ranks first in fish production? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Which animal can see in the dark? A. Elephant. B. Cat. C. Cow. Correct answer is B. Cat. Where is Latmar Holi celebrated? A. Vrindavan. B. Nandgaon. C. Barsana. Correct answer is C. Barsana. How many sons did Ravana have? A. 5. B. 7. C. 3. Correct answer is A. 5. What is India's rank in the world in cement production? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. Correct answer is B. Second. Which river is called the floating river? A. Gomti. B. Brahmaputra. C. Ghaghara. Correct answer is C. Ghaghara. Which essential vitamin washes away while rinsing vegetables? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Do you know India's position in the world for cement production? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. Correct answer is B. Second. Being an agricultural country, which crop is grown the most in India? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Jowar. Correct answer is A. Rice. Which country is considered the cheapest in the world? A. Pakistan. B. India. C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is B. India. Do you know which city was India's capital before Delhi? A. Allahabad. B. Patna. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Kolkata. Do you know the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world? A. Damascus. B. Jerusalem. C. Aleppo. Correct answer is A. Damascus. Which snake is considered the most venomous in the world, with just a few drops of venom being deadly? A. King cobra. B. Black mamba. C. Inland taipum. Correct answer is C. Inland taipum. How many times can a person be elected as the President of India? A. Once. B. Twice. C. No limit. Correct answer is C. No limit. How many union territories are there in India? A. 7. B. 8. C. No. Correct answer is B. 8. In which Indian state is the famous Jagannath temple located? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar. Correct answer is in Odisha.